Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, topic games, sports and exercise, and subtopic team spirit. So it is the name of the chapter games, sports and exercise, which we are reading and learning from few days. And today's topic is team spirit. Today we are going to talk about the team spirit. Team games competitive in nature. It is the very important and main quality of the team games. They are competitive in nature. Competitive. Competitive means the teams which are playing together, they want to win. If I am the member of that team, I want to win. If that member of the another team, that team wants to win. That is the competitive in nature. The aim of the game is to defeat the other team. There is a main target of the particular game, that is to defeat the other team. Defeat the other team means I want to win, I want to beat that team. That is the defeat the other team. All players must have sportsman spirit. It is the very most important point of any of the game. That is the sportsman spirit. Every player has this quality. If we don't have the sportsman spirit, actually we don't are good players. Nobody can be said as a good player if that person doesn't have this quality. So every person must have the sportsman spirit if they are the players. Sportsman spirit means that players should not cheat or use unfair means to win. Sportsman spirit means that players are not allowed to cheat or use the unfair means to win. Sometimes when the players want to win, they start cheating. They try to find out the advantage by which they can beat the other team. That is the unfair game. If a person has the sportsman spirit, that person will always follow the rules and regulation of the games, and they will always play the fairly. It is important to enjoy the game and appreciate the better team. Enjoy the game. It is very important, and also the appreciate the better team. When the two teams are playing and they want to win, definitely here is one will beat and the other will win. So we should enjoy the game and always try to encourage the team that is the better, and those who loses also encourage them to do the better for next time. All team members must work together to achieve a common goal. This is known as team spirit. Means the members of the team that should target of their goal what they want to win. So the team members must work together to achieve the common goal. It is the team spirit. Means if I want to win, definitely I have to reach the goal that is set for playing the game. So it is necessary to work with the all team members to make target to get that goal. That is the team spirit. So these were the points which we talked today. Now to your today's homework is learn and write about team spirit in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points and try to write about the team spirit in your own words. Thank you.